The problem which is present in this project is, as a result of the industry's growth, a number of products are now being used carelessly and throughout their brief shelf life contribute to the environment degradation by becoming waste products. Tetra Pak is one of these items. In order to lower its overall carbon footprint, Tetra Pak, a material that is difficult to recycle, is searching for solutions, and the overall production of concrete is also considered not to be green. The solution present is to combine the two different products into a Tetra Pak concrete. This is done by shredding up Tetra Pak material into 3mm grade size aggregates and mixing it into concrete mix. The results that were found in this project show promise for non-structural uses. The overarching goal of this research was to determine potential uses for the Tetra Pak concrete sample, as well as to demonstrate through experimental and analytical analysis if recycled Tetra Pak aggregates can successfully substitute natural aggregates and concrete and their different uses.